Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can fix the issue when you cannot connect headphones, earbuds, or basically any Bluetooth device into your OPPO A80 5G. So in my case, everything is fine, but let me just quickly explain. So first of all, if the device is not available on the list, you have to be sure that you simply enter for the pairing mode. And actually it depends on the device that you have, but in the most cases you will have to actually get the blinking LED light on your device, which means that it's actually in the pairing mode. Sometimes it blinks blue, sometimes it blinks green, red, or blue and red. So you have to actually check this for your specific model. And when you are in this pairing mode and the device is not available, you can simply refresh the list. But if it is not working, you can simply turn off and then turn on the Bluetooth. If it is still not working, you can just simply restart your phone. So basically turn it off and turn it on. You can also try to perform the hard reset of your headphones or, for example, of your earbuds. It's bring back all the default settings and sometimes it fixes known and common issues. If it still doesn't work, you can simply try to go into the additional settings on your OPPO A80 5G. You will have to go into the backup and the reset, and right here I'll try to perform the reset of the Bluetooth settings and the network settings. So by restoring the settings, you can also try to fix some known issues, and then you can try to connect one more time. But if it still doesn't work, honestly, I'm not sure what you can do. Maybe you can try to use any other device. Like for example, if you cannot connect these headphones, they are not detected, so you can try to pair another, try to connect another pair of the earbuds. And if this another pair is still not working, probably there's some kind of the issue with the phone, so we can try to perform the hard reset or even take advantage of the warranty. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.